Hello friends, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to install front mudguard extension on Honda CBR 250R. So basically these are the tools we needed. So what I'm going to do, I am actually just inspecting how the position could be fit perfectly for this one, and I removed the front mudguard from the vehicle and just trying again where I can put the holes on. So we need to be a bit careful on this step because if we do wrong hole, probably it may damage the whole front mudguard. And while doing the drilling, just to be careful and don't put too much pressure on the drill bit. Yes, we need to be a bit gentle on this case, otherwise again it will lead to crack on the mudguard. And it is attached right now. You can see it's a pretty beauty like dolphin, and I'm installing right now on the vehicle. But unfortunately seems to be it is not fit perfect because of the additional curve it came. So what I did, I removed that and just wanted to make sure how it could be repositioned. So what I did, I just repositioned with a 2-inch above the existing one. Unfortunately I need to make one more drill, one more hole on that, but the result is very nice. You can see from this it is going to fulfill the purpose of dirt and other stuff, debris get into the radiator and engine. Yep, that's it folks. I'll add the product link in the description. Feel free to subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Definitely this will be helpful for rest of our community. Thank you all.